In this video, we will go over the steps to replace damaged or worn bearings in the LoPro Series 2 air curtain. These instructions are the same for air curtains installed on a wall or when removed and placed on a workbench. The first step is to remove all the screws securing the front intake screen and take the screen off. Remove the bearing cap from the outside. Your air curtain may have either 3 or 4 screws. Save these screws as you will be needing them later. Loosen the blower wheel outer set screw from inside the air curtain. The T-handle Allen wrench is included with the replacement bearing kit. Slide the bearing out to remove. The replacement bearing comes with a factory-installed disc around the bearing head. Install the new bearing by inserting the bearing shaft into the fan wheel hub. Turn the bearing disc to align with the holes on the air curtain end panel. Replace the bearing cap by screwing through the bearing disc and the air curtain end panel. Tighten the bearing wheel set screw. Apply adequate force to ensure the set screw is tightly held in place. You have successfully replaced the bearing. The last step is to replace the front intake screen.